materials for notification of order and for
well, Sam, you just wait for some time, it will be taken. The council who was appearing for the other side in the CRMP?
Yes, sir.
Because this notice has not been issued. So I just wanted that the council should be here at least.
I will inform him.
Inform him so that he can seek some instructions. We do not know, right?
Lordship, kindly, this must be taken.
It will be taken.
In the first half.
It is listed in the first half only.
At
When the
last,
case is taken up, don't pray for Passover.
and
right?
at the last of the list.
It will be immediately taken up. You just wait and see.
Serial number 11, the relevance of the petitioner has been reversed, so I may be able to.
Are you the advocate on record?
No, I am not.
Who is that?
Mukesh Kumar Mehta. I am his associate.
Mukesh Kumar Mehta. And
Yes.
what is your name?
Anuj Kumar Trivedi.
Sorry?
Anuj Kumar Trivedi.
Anuj Kumar Trivedi.
Yes, sir.
Advocate on instructions of advocate on record Mr. Mukesh Kumar
Mehta.
Mehta. Seeks permission to withdraw this petition. You have heard the state?
Yes.
Then the council for the state has no objection to the prayer for withdrawal. Accordingly, this it's a writ petition.
Yes, sir.
This writ petition is dismissed as withdrawn. Put your
Sign
signature,
कर
please.
दीजिए।
Prayer code.
Orders with defect item 1, civil review 11 of 2022.
Section 4 and 5 is still in this, and for that one I filed 2 interlocutory applications. For defect number 4, with respect to
Petitioner number 226.
2 to 6 have not been appeared in the original
As party.
file.
Yes.
So that meanwhile what happened, the petitioner, original petition respondent,
Hmm.
namely, I'm just giving the name now, Jaganlal Pandit and Sambhu Pandit was passed away. And
When did they pass away?
Lord, this I have split my petition.
When did they pass away?
I am giving the date. Kindly see the interlocutory application, that is IA number 11676.
76. Okay. Yes.
Parasitmala. Let Sambhu Pandit who appeared as a respondent of
Para 6 is nothing.
Parasix of the during pendency of the lead petition so and so. Let Sambhu Pandit.
No, it is not there.
1167. There is 2 deep IA. There is 2 IA.
11676.
This is 11675. Para number?
Yes, madam. And para number 6, madam.
Yes. 11115. He died during the pendency of the
Yes,
petition.
madam. That he was not properly informed.
What
to
about the
court,
other
madam.
one?
Yes, madam. Other one, paragraph.
14.3.
Yes. That's passed.
What is the number of the petition?
Sorry,
What is the number of the
read petition. So that is 548. That is I have annexed the copy, madam, at page number 24.
Okay. Just a moment. IA number 11675 of 2023. Counsel for the petitioner submits that the defect number 4 be ignored inasmuch as the two original petitioners, namely Sambhu Pandit and Jagan Lal Pandit, expired during the pendency of the writ petition on 1/11/2015 and 14/3/2017 respectively. But this fact could not be brought to the notice of this court when the writ petition was disposed of. Considering the aforesaid submission, the defect in connection with defect number 4 is ignored for the present and IA number such and such is allowed. What about the other one?
So similarly for the respondent defect number 5, that is for opposite party number 5 to 13.
When did they expire?
Yes, that is also in my interlocutory.
All 5 to 13 have expired.
No, 5 to 13 are the legal heir of the original petitioner.
Okay. Original writ petitioner.
Yes. This is the.
They have been made respondents.
Now we have made the opposite party. This review application.
Okay. This petitioner number, this Pandit, they were respondents in the writ petition.
Yes, this party, the Jagannath Pandit was the original respondent in the writ petition.
You just, Mukulji, you have to make appropriate changes. They were respondents in the writ petition. Now this IA number, (11676) of 23. The Learned Council has submitted that this interlocutory application has been filed for in connection with defect number 5. He submits that the original writ petitioner, namely
So this is one is Goila Orao,
Goila Orao,
Mahadev Orao, and Somra Orao. All three.
Goila Orao, Mahadev Orao, and Somra Orao had expired during the pendency of the writ petition on
But date is not.
as stated in the interlocutory application, and therefore he submits that the defect be considering the aforesaid submission IA number 11676 of 2023 is hereby allowed, and defect number 5 is hereby ignored, subject to any objection that may be raised by the respondents upon issuance of notice. The rest of the defects have been removed,
Yes, only two defects are survived.
4 and 5.
Now, as per the
Issue notice to the respondents for which requisites under speed post as well as ordinary process be filed by Monday. Office to track the speed post delivery and prepare appropriate office note with regard to service of notice. Pose this case on 22nd of March 2024, awaiting service.
one correct time. Respondent 5 to 30. Noticeable respondent 5 to 30.
Respond number 5 to 30.
Yes,
Who
ma'am.
else? What are respond number 1 to 4 are?
Are the states.
Okay. In the meantime, the state may also file its counter.
Item 2, WPS 150 of 2023.
Yes.
I'll take 2 weeks time to remove.
Time till 12th of March 2024 is granted to remove the surviving defects preemptively. If the defects are removed within the stipulated time, pose this case under appropriate heading. On 19th of March.
Item 3, WPS 185 of 2023.
Same order. Same order for all the cases, right? All the defective cases, it's the same order. Anybody wants any different order, you just let us know. Item number?
Madam, serial number 18.
Yes, what do you want?
Madam, there is defect with regard to PS case number, madam. In your new order, another PS case has been wrongly typed, madam. We have
No,
filed.
you have to file IA. We can't change the PS case number like that.
No, madam, we have filed a petition in the lower court below to correct the same, but they are not doing that. Therefore, a direction may be given to the court below.
You can't give a direction like this. What is this? This is 18. This is a writ petition.
No, madam. Criminal division 397 of
Second half का लिस्ट करो.
In all the repetitions, same order.
Serial number 15, I have removed the defects. There were two defects of one of typed copy that is there.
Okay, you check it. You see, I have already
But the
passed a peremptory order. I have checked, and if the defects have already been removed, you do the needful. You point it out to the office. There is no problem about it.
And a copy was to be served to Coal India Limited.
You
That
check.
has
You have
also
not seen your records also, perhaps, isn't
been
it?
served, I have written that.
You check it. All the files are here. You check your records, but this is the same order we are passing in all the defective.
Time till 12 March.
Yes, time is till 12th March, and the matters that is peremptory, and it will come on 19th if the
Serial
defects are
number 47, my lord, one defect may be ignored, your lordship kindly see. Serial
What is
number
the
47.
defect?
Yes, my lord, defect is,
You just tell us. What
yes,
is the
defect
defect?
is that my order may be made in action, or I have made in action, order, impugn order may be made in action number 16. Any statement about that may be made in the para and sub-para, it may be done in the course of the day, 2 days, my lord.
I have already said.
Yes,
You
but
can do
one
it
thing-
now also.
No, for mentioning for this, that it may be affidavit, my lord, it is affidavit, only that portion may be affidavit, this is the stamp.
I have already said that the defects be removed, and it's in serial number
Serial number 47.
47. Give me the
Yes,
file.
only that part may be ignored, my lord. Other defects I will remove in the, as your lordship decides.
This is
Defect number
defect
6.
number?
Defect number 6. Only for that part, my lord, I am going to ignorance of that. It says, my lord, impugn order will be made in action number 6. I have made already, and the statement will be given in paras. I will be just right now. I will be giving, and the sub para of the petitioner, it may be affidavit. It is the next 6. That is impugn order.
There is no averment regarding annexure 6.
This is defect. So that is the government by given sub paras. Like stamp record also says so, my lord.
You see, in your entire petition, there is no mention of the impugned order. No, we can't ignore it.
Statement is given, my lord.
No,
Only
statement.
the
No, it's
mark-
not there. It's not.
Then I
I'm
will do
sorry,
that.
Milord, to point out item number 18, Milord. All the defects removed. Now, only one defect, not that the para 1 and prayer not telling.
You have to
But
file
also
an
just-
affidavit.
Only that is already there. But
So you see, I have passed
then
an
it will be
order.
dismissed for default
No,
unless
2 weeks. I have given you till 12th of March.
I have seen, Milord, the prayer and para 1 is verbatim same. It is cut paste. But still the office says that
Let
it
me
should
just
be, let's just see for a
Serial
moment.
number?
18 number. The WPS 1378 of 2023. Milord, it is a very funny, Milord. Word by word, sentence by sentence, everything is cut paste. 18 number है 1378 बटा 2000. Otherwise, I would not have pointed out, Milord. I'm sorry, Milord, I am detaining you, Lord. Just see for a moment. This is the only defect to be cured. Just see, Milord.
Defect number?
Defect number 3. Most probably. Prayer made in para 1 has not been fully incorporated in prayer portion. It should be filed by supplemented. So let's just see page 2. And prayer portion, on page 8. Exactly the word by word, everything is, it is a cut paste. I have checked, Milord, then I am submitting to Milord. Prayer, Milord, which has been made a prayer. Word by word, line by line, everything is same. In fact, it is a cut paste. It has been quoted, Milord, in the Sarava. Still, the office wants that it should be filed again by essay. Everything I have checked, word by word I have checked, subject to correction.
You see, you can insert it in hand also. Anyways, we'll ignore it. There are certain words missing, so they are very mechanical. At the request of the learned counsel for the petitioner, the surviving defect in connection with defect number 2 is ignored for the present.
I'm sorry to detain your lordship.
This is WPS number 1378 of 22.
All right.
If there are any other defects,
I will.
that preemptory order will
Yes,
be there
yes, yes.
and on 19.
My lord, in serial number 15, I have checked. There are two sets of respondents, Coal India Limited and CCL. And for all the respondents, Mr. Abid Kumar Das's office has received the copy.
What is the defect?
That is the defect. That a copy may be served to the retained counsel of Coal India Limited. That is the defect.
Mr. Amit Kumar Das is not a retained counsel of Coal India.
But has he received the copies?
By saying that he is receiving it on behalf of Coal India also.
The receipt is there. It says.
Let me just have a look at it. 15, serial number 15. No, he is not the retained counsel.
I have to ask him once
That is the
again.
defect because that list, they have their own list, no?
The
So-
list is there in the stamp reporting.
Yes.
That I know.
So you have to do it accordingly.
You mentioned item number 51, my lord.
And as I know, I think he is not the retained
But
counsel.
my only prayer is that let it not be a preemptory order in my
It is a
case.
preemptory order. You
Because
please, you go to
I
the
will serve
stamp
a copy
reporter.
if there is a counsel.
There
But if
is
there
a-
is no counsel, then that will happen.
You mention it. We will
If
see.
that is so,
Item number 51, my lord.
If there had been no retained counsel, this defect would not have been there at all, isn't it?
if there is a.
Item number 51, my lord. WPS 7083-23, my lord. My lord, there are two defects. One is with regard to verification of license of the clerk. He has already verified, no other license has been issued. So I am praying, my lord, that may kindly be ignored, that verification of
This is a
license.
serial number?
51.
This is 51. 51. That may kindly be ignored. And one is with regard to, my lord, one number
No,
of his
regarding registration number of the advocate
clerk.
clerk.
Malx, he has already verified, no fresh license has been issued, and
No fresh license has been issued means?
extension or whatever minor, so he is having the same license.
So it
My
is for
clerk.
a definite period. Has it expired?
No, it has not.
We do not know.
No, my lord, he is filing all cases with the same license, my lord.
We do not know what he is doing. Whether the license is surviving or it has
It
expired.
is surviving, he is verified, my lord, the clerk has verified.
Who has verified?
The clerk itself, my lord, the clerk,
Advocate clerk.
advocate clerk.
Who is the clerk? Get his license, please.
Pardon, my lord.
Bring his license. We'll take it up at 2:50.
I may be
You bring
permitted
his
to.
license, we'll see.
At what time, my
Serial
lord?
number 26.
2:50.
Serial number 26.
और इसका जो स्टैम्प रिपोर्टर है उसको भी बुलाएं.
Serial number 26. One defect is that a fresh copy of Annexure 6 may be provided. I have provided fresh copy and I have copy as well. Your lordship may ignore it.
Have you seen that it is still a surviving defect?
That is the only defect. 26.
It might not be tallying.
It is photocopy.
Fresh copy, you see, you are supposed to give legible copies.
Legitimate, that is government order. I have got only one copy.
You have not filed your fresh copy.
Fresh copy, I have got photocopy only. I have provided typed copy of the same. Typed copy is already.
No, but fresh copy you have not filed.
Fresh
You have
copy-
just not said that you have filed fresh copy also.
Fresh copy is identical, and secondly, that is government order. Respondent will provide the original. State government. That is the order of the Upayuk DC.
You have not filed fresh copy.
Fresh
Please do
copy-
not make submissions which is
Fresh copy
not
will be
correct.
photocopy only.
whatever it is. But there is an objection. You said that you have filed it, which is not correct. So do the needful. And typed copy you have filed it, it's okay. But do the needful. You did not file it. Fresh copy is still wanting. Yes.
Item number 40, madam. Now, in this case, now there are two defects have been reported over the office. Out of which, now, the one defect has been removed, that is filing of the copy. The second one is, madam, that is for the deficit court fee of the all the petitioners. Now, this is for the common interest and
No, you have to file an interlocutory application for that.
no, that for that, madam, I file that.
You
not
file it?
preemptive, so not, madam, I file that.
Serial number
40.
40.
40.
Let this order not be preemptive, right? Time will be there till 12th of March, and then it will come under appropriate heading on 19th of March. It will not be a preemptive order.
Okay.
Leadership item number 35. Defect number 1 is only remaining. Leadership this has to be removed.
What is the defect?
Defect is that appointment letter respondent number 8 and 9 sought to be quashed in para 1 prayer does not find in this petition. Your Leadership, my prayer is only that in the petition to call for the appointment letter of respondent number 8 and 9 and thereafter for quashing that. Serial 35.
Is that the only defect?
Yes, Leadership. There were many defects, but only this defect is remaining.
Okay. इसमें लिखिएगा WPS number 2259 of 2023. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the defect number 1 be ignored in view of the fact that the petitioners do not have the copy of appointment letter of respondent number 8 and 9. They have made a prayer for calling for their appointment letter and quashing the same. Considering the submissions, the defect number 1 is ignored for the present. Post this case on 19th of March.
He was present here.
You see, I have asked you to come at 2:15, so please maintain the decorum of the court. We will also call the staff reporter and find out what is the gap. If he says that the license has expired or whatever, it's a very serious thing we have to take care of.
It had expired and fresh license has not been issued, my lord. In between, there are two associations, that is.
We do not know. If the license has expired, we cannot take that.
Then, my lord, I'll be removing during course of the day, my lord, both defects.
I just do not know. You see, come at 2:15.
There is some problem.
Orders.
There is some problem. My lord is very
If
clear.
there is some problem, then why, as a counsel, you said that there is no problem, the defect is absolutely meaningless?
No, he has not got fresh
He has got
license.
no responsibility in the court.
There is choice. Of course.
Advocate clerks has no responsibility in the court.
He is old clerk, but my lord, he did not get new license. It is in the process
He
of.
calls for a disciplinary proceeding also. That after expiry of the license, how is he still identifying and doing the
Very
needful?
correctly, my lord, he should be licensed, but
We do not know. You come at 2:15, we'll check.
Orders item 52, WPS 5114 of 2021.
In this case, counter to amended rate.
Not yet filed.
It is. We have received. It is ready. Also, copy has been served. Also.
Do you want to file a rejoinder?
My lord, record 2 weeks time.
Counsel for the parties are present. Supplementary counter affidavit filed during the proceeding is taken on record.
its counter to amended writ.
Supplementary counter. Time till 1st of March, granted to the petitioner to file a rejoinder. Post on 6th of March 2023. In the meantime, the parties to file their list of dates, synopsis, list of dates and judgments which they are seeking to rely upon by 4th of March. It is fresh filing under the heading for admission. Post under the heading for admission. Next.
For press filing item 53, WPS 1904 of 2023.
Is this an appealable order? Avail your remedies. You avail your remedy. Why should we? What is that reason that we should?
Lordship, what has happened in this case? There were 3 persons who were roping in as allegation in this case.
You see, you go and file your appeal. Let the appellate authority consider it. WPS number 1904 of 2023. Counsel for the parties are present. Upon a query of this court, the learned counsel for the petitioner has fairly submitted that the impugned order is an appealable order. Considering the aforesaid submissions, this court is not inclined to entertain this writ petition. The petitioner, however, the petitioner may file the appeal as per the provision of law by within a period of 15 days from today. You need more time? Within a period of 30 days from today. Dismissal of this writ petition will have no bearing in the appeal. This writ petition is dismissed with effect.
Item 54, WPS 2232 of 2023.
I was praying for 4 weeks' time in this matter to file rejoinder to the counter.
WPS number 2232 of 2023. As prayed, time till 18th March is granted to the petitioner to file a rejoinder to the counter affidavit. Pose this case on 10th of April 2024. Parties to file their list of dates, synopsis of arguments, and the judgments which they seek to rely upon. It will come under the heading for admission.
Item 55, WPS 2730 of 2023.
Only 1 week time and you landed to file rejoinder as the counter affidavit has been filed by the district. I have already drafted it, also file it by Monday. So maybe shorter date we can do.
Is it an appealable order?
We have already that order I will annex to in the rejoinder affidavit which I will file now.
Appeal has been dismissed.
Lordship, appeal has been referred before the government authority. And that order I have not received that order. The client has said that we will put it on the rejoinder affidavit. Only 1 week time.
Is it permissible for you to have both remedies simultaneously?
No, it is
You
not possible.
will avail the appeal also.
It has been disposed of, Lordship.
So therefore, on the day when you file the writ petition, that appeal must have been pending.
No, that has been disposed. That instruction I have
prior to filing of the writ petition?
Yes, Your Lordship. It has been filed in the month of June, month of May. And prior to filing of this writ petition, that appeal has been, that instruction I have received from my client, Your Lordship.
But that appellate order is not under challenge.
That is not in the prayer of the writ petition.
They only paid for pursuing.
You have not even mentioned that you have filed an appeal. You have received the instructions?
I have received the instruction.
The learned counsel for the parties are present. Counsel for the petitioner submits that he has received instructions to file a rejoinder in the present case, bringing on record that the appeal filed by the petitioner has been dismissed. However, he is not in a position to explain as to why no such disclosure has been made in the writ petition. When do you want?
After 2 weeks time, I kindly granted.
You just said you wanted 1 week time.
Your Lordship, I would like to point out one thing, Lordship, whatever I have received from my client, it is out of the record, Lordship, clearly that in reply to contentions made in paragraph 40 of the counter affidavit filed by the state, it has not been filed in the, Lordship. I am submitting out of the record. Petitioner has appealed for the remedy by letter number dated 18/10/2022 and later dated 22/2/2023 to His Majesty the Honorable Governor of Jharkhand. His Excellency had forwarded to same to the Chief Secretary for disposal by letter dated 17th of November 2022, but no remedial action has been done by the.
We do not know things which are not on record.
Yes, we
cannot
know.
appreciate.
I will put on record. But I am not confirmed.
When can I
Lordship.
post it? Please tell us.
Lordship, only time may kindly be granted to file required, Lordship. But I am not confirmed that the appeal has been
Post
disposed
this
of.
case on next Wednesday. In the meantime, the rejoinder will be filed.
Item 56, WPS 2844 of 2023.
It will come under the same heading. Yes, please. Petitioner. Mr. Abhishek Srivastava was here right now. Let it be passed on. Next. Are you associated with Mr. Abhishek Srivastava? The name flash.
Item 57, WPS 3574 of 2023.
Yes,
In this
petitioner.
case, counter has been filed also. The answer petitioner has already redressed.
Has been redressed?
Lordship, they have taken a decision to pay the house rent.
That's
That's payment has not.
We'll take it. How much time do you need to pay them out?
Direction has been given to the security pradhan.
Direction doesn't serve the purpose.
Security pradhan kar di
They are not seeing the color of money.
4 weeks.
You will credit it in their account.
I may give 4 weeks. Okay, communicate.
4 weeks is too long.
I will communicate the.
WPS number 3574 of 2023. Counsel for the parties are present. This petition has been filed for the following relief. The learned counsel for the parties have jointly submitted that appropriate decision has already been taken to pay the house rent allowance to the petitioner, but as per the counsel for the petitioner, the amount has not been credited in the account of the petitioner. The decision was taken way back as on 4/8/2023, and the petition was filed on 4/7/2023. Considering the aforesaid submission and the fact that a decision has already been taken to pay the amount of house rent allowance to the petitioner, this writ petition is disposed of, directing the respondent number Respondent number? District Superintendent, respond number 3, respond number 2. Respondent number 3 to remit the admissible amount in the account of the petitioner within a period of 4 weeks from today. This petition is disposed of.
Item 58, WPS 3576 of 2023.
It's a similar matter. No counter affidavit has been filed. However, in the counter affidavit of the previous matter, the order annexed also applies to the original.
They have annexed a counter affidavit also. They have annexed the same order. Same order. Here the writ petition was filed on 4/7/23 and decision has been taken on 4/8/23. Right? Same.
Item 59, the rupees 3994 of 2023.
We received the counter
WPS number 3994 of 23. Counsel for the parties are present. Time till 7th of March is granted to the petitioner to file a rejoinder with a counter affidavit. Post under the heading for execution on 13th of March. 13th March.
Item 60, WPS 4589 of 2023.
विनीत जी आए जरा विनीत जी को बुला के लेके आइए They are seeking a mandamus for enforcement of the opinion of the learned advocate general.
They are saying that the opinion was taken ex parte and his name was not included in the opinion, Your Lordship.
His name was not included.
Yes, Your Lordship. Names of other associate professors were included.
I just do not know, how do you file an opinion in a writ petition? And how do you, it's a privileged communication altogether. It's absolutely barred under the provisions of Evidence Act. You have to explain it. We will not permit this. This we are finding that in many cases this opinion is being filed.
And further, Your Lordship, if the...
You don't object, no. That is why they are filing
We
it.
are objecting, Your Lordship. This is the first case
We will pass an order in connection with filing of opinion in the writ proceedings or in any proceedings.
Further, Your Lordship, if the university has acted upon the opinion, then only they can challenge, Your Lordship.
No, there is no question. How do they file an opinion? It's absolutely a privileged communication.
And further, Lordship, the university is the main party in this matter.
We will not. You just advanced your arguments. We will pass a very speaking order on this. That opinions cannot be filed in writ proceedings.
We never filed.
You never object.
No, in my office, this is
You
the first
do
case, Your
not
Lordship.
object. No, this is not the first case. We have seen many.
And further, Your Lordship, university is the main party, Your Lordship. They should object, Your Lordship.
It is your opinion. Who will object to it?
The university has taken, Your Lordship, the opinion, and they challenge. They have made party university.
But it is the opinion of the learned advocate general. He has got. He is not aggrieved by annexing these opinions.
He is aggrieved, Your Lordship, but he has not been made a party, Your Lordship. The Department
need not be,
of
but
Education has been made party, Your Lordship.
They will
And the
object.
Department of Education is not involved in the opinion, Your Lordship.
WPS number 4589 of 2023. We will pass a detailed judgment on this.
Yes, sir.
Refer to the privileged communications and everything.
Yes, sir.
You just can't file a opinion. You can say that you have come to know that such opinion was
Yes.
given, but you cannot file it in the court proceedings like this. And how do you have access to this opinion? Who has given you this opinion? Have you obtained under right to information? You see, normally in writ proceedings, we may not ask from where have you got it. But if it is a privileged communication, you will have to explain. Next. There is one matter to be passed over. We are just getting the file.
Item 61, pass over. Item 62, WPS 5890 of 2023.
Yes.
In this case, now the petitioner is seeking direction upon the respondents, especially the respondent number 4 and 5 now, to make payments of areas of 20% additional quantum of pension on a monthly basic pension with effect from April 2022 to till March 2023. In terms of the resolutions issued by the government of Jharkhand, that is Annexure 3, and subsequently it was also being published in Gazette. And the
Any counter affidavit filed?
No.
Bank is competent also to the notification itself also. Bank has given good revise also. It is clause 18, it has been mentioned.
So I have said that especially 4 and 5.
Clause 18.
Yes, page number 29. Page 29. All pension disbursing authorities, including public sector bank handling disbursement of pension government, may be authorized to pay pension at the revised rates also. So their application is still pending also, so they can take decision.
Their application is pending before whom?
Punjab National Bank Lordship pension.
Punjab National Bank is a party?
Yes, sir. So they have made
party.
Where is the counsel for Punjab National Bank? You serve them copy. You have number of retained counsel of Punjab National Bank. Because we want that this problem should be solved. We do not know whether they have been communicated. They will just seek a short
The
instruction.
matter relates to the Dhanbad district, that is the Punjab National Bank from where
It's one Punjab National Bank all over India. Pan India, it's one bank. You serve copy upon the retained counsel of Punjab National Bank. You can call, there are 2-3 persons. Mr. P.S. Pati appears and MS Amrita Sinha also appears for Punjab National Bank. Right? You call one of them, I'll just pass it over. They will seek instructions, we'll post it on Wednesday and the matter will be resolved. No, just call them. I'm just passing it over. Either of the two or maybe some other counsel.
Item 63 for admission, CRMP 202 of 2024.
Yes.
Your Ladyship, this is arising out of criminal division number.
Where is the counsel for the other side?
Your Lordship, we have informed him and he also replied affirmatively, but till now he has.
Whom did you inform?
Mr. Sumit Kumar Tiwari. He was the standing counsel.
कल उनसे बात हुई थी, वो बोले कि ठीक है, हम आएंगे। तो लगता है कि किसी कोर्ट में इंगेज होंगे।
So earlier there was an order of modification, isn't it?
Yes.
Where is the divorce decree?
Annexure 2, Your Lordship, page number 19, judgment passed in OS 4123. And Annexure 3, Your Lordship, the decree passed in this.
All the cases have been disposed of?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Is there any other case which is pending? Where have you stated in your petition that all the cases have been disposed of? Because that is payable to you only after all the pending cases between the parties is disposed of.
Your Lordship, the judgment will not have been passed if any cases
No.
was.
You see, which will be handed over to the second petitioner after disposal of all the pending cases between the parties.
All the cases have been disposed, Your Lordship. It is not mentioned in the application. It's not mentioned in the application, Your Worship, but all the cases has been disposed of.
In the joint compromise, there was any list of cases?
Your Lordship, if I kindly peruse the annexure 1.
Yes.
It has the list of all the cases where the judgment of the cases that was pending before this honorable court between the parties.
Where is the list of cases?
Your Lordship, annexure 1.
Annexure 1, page number please.
Page number 10.
Page number 10 it starts. Where is the list of pending cases?
Your Lordship, 3 cases were pending. Criminal revision number 76 of 19, criminal revision number 51 of 21, and CIMP number 3472 of 2020.
From where do I get this?
From my page number 10 itself. There is no list of the cases as such, Your Lordship,
But you have not even mentioned that all the cases have been disposed of.
yes, Your Lordship, that is the lack.
Okay. When is this demand draft expiring?
Ma'am, 27th and 28th of February.
What were you doing for all these days? You were sitting. When did you file it? 18/1.
18.
1 month you have taken to file
Your
it.
Lordship, the decree was passed on 19th of December, Your Lordship. The decree of divorce on mutual consent. That was the last case, Your Lordship, that was pending between the parties.
The demand draft is in whose name?
Petitions.
You see, unless this, after disposal of all cases pending between the parties, from where do I get this?
Your Lordship, as per the direction of Honorable Apex Court, mutual consent endeavors on mutual consent cannot be decreed until and unless there is no cases pending between them.
I do not know. This is your order of mutual consent, where it says that it will be handed over to the second petitioner after the disposal of all the pending cases between the parties. Isn't it?
Yes, Your Lordship.
There is no statement also that all the cases have been disposed of. You take Dasti.
Your Lordship.
Where is the OP number 2 residing?
And he was residing at Latehar at the time of litigation. We don't know where he is residing right now.
You have given his address. You have not even made an affidavit. In the petition also, you do not say that all the cases have been disposed of.
Your Lordship, kindly grant leave for
The
filing
council will not
supplementary.
come.
We have, Your Lordship, informed him, and he also affirmatively
We
replied.
might have been instructed not to come. This
No, Your
matrimonial disputes are very.
Your Lordship, all the cases and all the disputes have been settled and.
Your oral submissions are not sufficient. It is not there in the petition.
Yes, Lordship.
Then you ask him to be here. इनका नाम जरा flash करिए. What is his name?
Sumit Kumar Tiwari.
Sumit. No, in the CRMP, the counsel who was appearing was
Sumit Prakash.
Sumit Prakash. His name is not Sumit Kumar Tiwari.
Your Lordship, Sumit Prakash.
Sumit Prakash. He's there in the court, no?
Yes, Raj.
जब नाम फ्लैश कर दिए. Let him come. We have to let him seek instructions at least orally.
One thing, my lord, I suggest that ये supplementary करके जो भी pending cases हैं, by the way of the supplementary करके Monday को file कर दे
You
देर
should file it. Let him be there. You should file an affidavit. We cannot ask for release of money like this. You come at around 12 o'clock. Call him, please. सब खत्म हो गया. Yes. Will you say there is some revision of pension?
Yes, I was seeing that circular, my lord, 80 years onwards, 20%.
There are two things we can do about it. We will record your appearance and then we'll ask him to approach the bank. That should be sufficient.
Yes, yes.
Where is the counsel for the state? Anyways, he has already made his submission. Right? Para number 18 is there.
Yes, ma'am.
And you say that this has been notified also?
Yes.
You produce a notification.
Well, Annexure 3.
This is just a resolution. There is a separate notification, you say gazette notification.
Budget notification Annexure 2.
Of the same document?
Same document. Well, that is at page 22.
Page 22. No, you have, this is only a part document which you have annexed. Para 5.1.
5.7.
You have not annexed the whole document. It is not the same address. This is para number 5.1. It is not the same thing. No. These are two different documents altogether. Anyways, he will go to you. When the matter was taken up, the counsel for the petitioner was asked to contact Mr. P.S. Pati, who is a retained counsel of Punjab National Bank. In bracket respond number 5. And consequently, he has appeared before this court. The learned counsel for the petitioner, ऊपर में है ना, district petition has been filed for the following issues, right? The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that primarily the petitioner is seeking a direction upon the respondents to implement their own resolution as contained in Annexure 3 dated 18/1/2017 and submits that pursuant thereto there is a decision to revise the pension. The learned counsel for the state has referred to paragraph number 18 of the resolution and has submitted that all the concerned banks have already been directed to pay the pension accordingly. Therefore, the petitioner may approach the Punjab National Bank for the needful. You have approached Bhopal.
See, that is not, that is the controlling authority, that is what the bank.
CP, Central Pension Processing Center.
At this, counsel for the petitioner has submitted that he has already approached the controlling authority of the bank at Bhopal through speed post by Direction 4 dated 12/9/2022, but having no response, the present petition has been filed. It has been jointly submitted by the counsel for the parties that the petitioner may approach the respondent number 5 for needful and appropriate decision will be taken and admissible amount will be released in accordance with law.
Right.
After hearing the learned counsel for the parties and considering the nature of relief sought for by the petitioner, the state petition is disposed of, enabling the petitioner to file a fresh representation before respondent number 5, along with a copy of the writ record and a copy of this order. And upon within a period of 4 weeks from today,
Yes.
within a period of 4 weeks from today, and upon filing of such representation, the respondent number 5 is directed to look into the grievance of the petitioner and pass appropriate order reasoned order in accordance with law and communicate a copy of, within a period of 4 weeks thereafter, and communicate a copy of the same to the petitioner through speed post. It is further directed that the admissible amount to the petitioner be also remitted to the account of the petitioner within a period of 15 days from the date of the reasoned order. Right? This petition is accordingly disposed of. Counsel for the respondent Punjab National Bank is directed to intimate the respondent number 5 to ensure that the petition that there is no unnecessary hurdle in the matter of grant of admissible amount to the petitioner.
You may serve the copies.
Yes, I will keep my.
You serve the copy, and then if he needs any clarification, you can contact.
Yes.
That is why this
Yes,
direction
yes.
is placed.
Passport case item 56, WPS 2844 of 2023.
Lord, one kind lens, Lordship, Mr. Abhishek Srivastava's name is flashing, my Lord. Due to some medical emergency, my Lord, he is not in the.
Your Lordship, he has just informed me that his mother is not well, so he is unable to attend the court proceedings today.
This ISM Dhanbad.
Yes, ISM Dhanbad has been renamed as IIT Dhanbad.
Okay. Okay. This kind of relief which he is seeking, right? He is an employee, they are the employees. Is it not a proceeding which should go under the Industrial Disputes Act?
Probably that would be if a reference is filed under section 10.
Because he is seeking regularization and there is no scheme for regularization. He is seeking a direction also for framing a scheme for regularization. I think that would be the proper relief. It is very difficult to pass an order of regularization
The same
and
when he was discussing about this matter with me yesterday.
so that is a better relief, isn't it?
Yes.
More efficacious. And the chances of getting the relief is much more than in the writ jurisdiction.
Your Lordship, my humble submission would be let this matter be posted on Monday.
Okay. You also seek instructions?
Yes.
I understand that he is in some trouble, but I think so that that would be proper, unless you say that ID Act is not applicable.
Not
Right?
But that can't be made.
That can't be. It is applicable.
Obviously applicable.
Right. WPS number 2844 of 2023. The counsel for the petitioner upon a query of this court submits that the matter be posted under the same heading on Monday so that he may seek instructions as to whether the dispute involved in this case, as to whether the industrial tribunal would have jurisdiction to look into the grievance of the petitioner under the provisions of Industrial Disputes Act. Post on Monday.
Passport case item 16, WPS 4589 of the 2023.
Who's for the petitioner?
In this case, Your Lordship, a very short prayer has been made.
Mr. Tiwari, I just want to know that under what provision of law you can file the legal opinion, which is absolutely privileged document.
On the basis of that, Your Lordship, the respondent university, they have already counted the past.
I appreciate that could be a basis to give relief to one or the other person, but you annex it. And this is not the solitary case, Mr. Tiwari. So I want to pass an order on this as to whether the legal opinion can be annexed in a writ proceedings, which is not concerning you at all. Kindly address me on that.
It is not concerning me, Your Lordship, but the facts involved in the present case are exactly similar to that of.
I know. That relief, but how do you annex a legal opinion in the writ proceedings?
Your Lordship may pass an order.
You address?
Yes, on that basis, Your Lordship.
No, I just want to know that how privileged communication, it is a privileged communication, legal opinion?
Privileged communication leading to a certain act, which is also in line with the prayer that I am making before this Honorable. That is why we have annexed
You are
that.
for the state?
Yes, Lordship.
Do you have any objection to annexing of this legal opinion of the
Yes,
learned
Lordship, that
advocate?
is a privileged
You file an affidavit. Learned counsel for the parties are present in the present proceedings. A legal opinion given by the learned advocate general has been annexed. Counsel for the respondent state has raised objection with regard to filing of the legal opinion of the learned advocate general in the writ proceedings and submits that the legal opinion are privileged communications and the same could not have been filed along with the writ petition. She has also submitted that the legal opinion does not, otherwise also the legal opinion does not concern the petitioner. Let the required objection be filed on affidavit. Who will file this affidavit? Filed on affidavit by the state. Then university is also there.
University is also a party.
Okay. Will you seek instructions and file a counter affidavit in this case?
I do not have the copy of the petition. I'll take one. Must have been. And yet, I'll take one from my learned friend.
Okay, you file your affidavit. Learned counsel for the university, Mr. A.K. Mehta, is also directed to seek instructions and file a counter affidavit in the present case. How much time do you need? Let the affidavits be filed by 12th March. You need more time, 19th March? 19th March. Rejoinder, if any, by 2nd of April. Post on 10th of April under the heading for admission. Next.
Item 61, WPS 5329 of 2023.
Yes, petition. You have filed your counter affidavit. One counter affidavit is there on record. Who has filed it?
State of Jharkhand must be.
You also seek instructions when you file counter affidavit. This person is appearing, who is conducting his case himself. What is his prayer?
Suspension order question.
He's seeking quashing of suspension order.
Yes. Whereas the suspension order of the petitioner passed by the Secretary of Drinking Water and Sanitation. Respondents
He was suspended on 16/1/2007.
Yes, as stated by him.
He has attained the age of superannuation.
Age, yes, he is less to have 67 years of age.
Is there any departmental proceeding going on against him?
Yes, it was a departmental procedure initially, he was punished, he preferred appeal, it was dismissed.
So he is not seeking any relief regarding departmental proceeding?
Yes, the prayer is for regarding the suspension.
Quashing the order of punishment also.
Yes, punishment is there, but he appears in person. He has not engaged any counsel, your lordship.
He has challenged the appellate order also?
Yes, your lordship. And further arrears of salary with interest.
Petitioner in person is absent. A counter affidavit has been filed by the state of Jharkhand. The learned counsel for the state of Bihar is directed to seek instructions and file a counter affidavit in the present case by 28th of March. The rejoinder, if any, by 16th of April, post on 24th April 2024 under the heading for admission. Office is directed to forward a copy of this order to the petitioner.
Also, case item 63, CRMP 202/2024.
All the litigations are over?
Yes,
Should I record your statement?
yes, ma'am.
You have no objection?
No, madam.
You have taken instructions from your client?
Yes, ma'am. I have taken instruction.
Please ensure that you take it on WhatsApp, on mail or something. Keep it for yourself,
Yes, ma'am.
right? That is absolutely necessary.
Yes, ma'am.
You want only release of the money?
Yes, ma'am.
CRMP number 202 of 2024. Counsel for the petitioner, Mr.
Ripunjay Jha.
Ripunjay
Jha.
Give your appearance. Is present. Mr. Sumit Prakash, who has been the counsel of the present opposite party number 2 in the earlier round of litigation, is also present. You were for the informant of the case.
In two cases, I was for the petitioner, that is 76 of 2029 and 51 of 2021. I was for the petitioner. In one of the cases, I was the informant.
Informant in CRMP 347. Mr. Sumit Prakash, advocate, submits that he has been representing the petitioner, representing Mr. Chandan Kumar Singh, who was petitioner in criminal revision number 76 of 2019 and criminal revision number 51 of 2021, and is the opposite party number 2 in the present proceedings. He was also opposite party number 2 in CRMP number 3472 of 2022. The learned counsel, Mr. Sumit Prakash, has submitted that he has received instructions that the marriage between the petitioner and opposite party number 2 has been dissolved through mutual consent, and all the pending cases between the parties has already been disposed of.
Yes.
The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that by this petition, the petitioner who is the wife is seeking modification of order dated 10/5/2023 to the extent that the demand draft of rupees 9.80 lakhs, which has been deposited by the opposite party number 2 before the learned Registrar General Jharkhand High Court, which is a part of one-time settlement arrived between the parties, be handed over / released in favor of the petitioner. He submits that the validity of bank draft is going to expire shortly. He has also referred to an order dated, it was modified earlier, no?
Yes. For the release of the draft.
He has also referred to order dated 10/11/2023, passed in CRMP number 2732 of 2023, whereby the order dated 10/5/2023, passed in criminal revision number 76 of 2019 and other analogous cases, was modified to the extent that the demand draft of rupees 9.80 lakhs, which was deposited by the present opposite party number 2 before the learned Registrar General, was provided to the present opposite party for revalidation. The learned counsel jointly submit that pursuant to order dated 10/11/2023, the demand drafts were revalidated and deposited before the learned Registrar General. Mr. Sumit Prakash, representing opposite party number 2, has submitted on instructions that he has no objection if the demand draft is released in favor of the petitioner. State is not there. Considering the aforesaid submissions made on behalf of the parties and taking the order dated 10/5/2023, passed in criminal revision number 76 of 2019 and other analogous cases is hereby modified to the extent that the demand draft already deposited by the present opposite party number 2 before the learned Registrar General, after its revalidation pursuant to order dated 10/11/2023, passed in CRMP number 2732 of 2023, be released in favor of the petitioner after due identification. this petition is accordingly disposed of with the aforesaid modification and addition.
Serial number 19, Your Lordship, only one surviving defect is there, Your Lordship, which needs to be ignored, Your Lordship. A preemptory order has been passed, Your Lordship. Today, Your Lordship, different courts suddenly cases has been listed, Your Lordship. That's why I was another junior was there, Your Lordship. But
serial number 19.
19.
What is the defect which you want to be ignored?
Your Lordship, defect एक है कि जो हम लगाए हैं Annexes 7 में उसको incomplete है Your Lordship बोल रहे हैं, लेकिन हम वहाँ undertaking दे दिए हैं कि I'm relying on the relevant portion.
No, no. Rule can't be partly relied on.
Your Lordship, it is very bulky, Your Lordship.
So, if you annex it, we need it. How bulky it is? 2016 rules.
Your Lordship, it is.
Which rules?
Elementary school taken. We have taken over elementary school teachers promotions rules. 19.
It is not a bulky rule. How is it a bulky rule?
Actually, such type of defects is ignored by the Registrar General, Your Lordship. What happened?
I'm not a Registrar General.
What
Firstly.
happened, Your Lordship?
Secondly, whenever any rule has to be seen, it has to be seen as a whole. We cannot see just one portion of the rule.
Your Lordship, if it will be needed, Your Lordship, I will produce at the time of hearing.
No,
Your
you
Lordship.
file it. Otherwise, also we will need the rule for perusal.
Lordship, yesterday a matter was posted, and today it is posted in serial number 99. The OP number 2 is present in the court.
Serial number 99.
Second half 99.
So you have to wait.
If it be taken up early.
I'm absolutely clueless. There is a board in the second half.
There is a board in the second half. In 215, if it is taken at 215 only.
Get hold of the other side. If the other side is not there, we will not take out of turn. And there are so many matters which are under defect, and by one stroke of pen, we just give the time. So all the defective petitions will be over very soon. Okay? So you ensure that you are there. Immediately after the defective matters, your case can be taken up. What is it for?
For revision, yesterday the petitioner was saying that they have amicably settled the dispute.
Yes, yes.
But I have got the instruction that
is not correct.
That nothing is correct. Because they have got the bail 1 year back only. How can it be possible that they are living for last 2 years together?
And the husband and wife disputes are like this only.
Yes. So okay, Lordship, I will get back.
He is in bail.
Yeah, he is in bail.
Is there any likelihood of settlement?
I will.
By that time you find it out.
Yes.
If there is any 498A matter, if there is any likelihood of settlement, we can send it for mediation. There are many circumstances which flow later on between the parties.
But
there are many instances which happen on the spur of the
wrong
moment.
submission yesterday that they are living for last 2 years when the petitioner got bail 1 year back only. So how can it be possible that?
No, it's okay. You see, at times the advocates are wrongly instructed, so we cannot.
I will check it with the opposite party number 2. If
You
there
just
is
find
any-
it out. If she is ready, we'll send it for mediation.
Okay.
We'll take care of it.
Okay.
Right. And then if she wants the matter to remain pending for some time, even if the matter is settled through mediation, then also we can wait for passing of the final order on joint compromise petition. We can wait and watch also.
Wait and watch. They stay together a period of time, then after.
For some time, we
For
can
some
just, for 1 or 2 months,
months.
if everything is okay, we'll take it.
Okay,
Lordship, only